Hello, I'm Eva and I've got some news for you. MemeFi has launched a grand campaign with Binance with outstanding rewards. Here is your participation that matters. Every participant meeting the campaign conditions can claim 50 million coins in the bot, which is pretty high if you ask me. And that's just the start of it. You can win one of 5 luxury Drank Muller watches from the encrypted Steampunk limited edition collection, created exclusively for you native crypto geeks. Or you might snag one of 20 iPhone Pro Max. The total prize pool is worth $150,000. So how do you complete the campaign? It might take a few minutes, but it's actually super easy. We'll guide you through the steps. To join the campaign, you need to complete 2 steps. First, register a new Binance account using the link in our description. If you already have an account, spread the word to your friends. This could be the push they need to enter the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, they must use the specific link in our description to register. Second, complete the KYC process. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a standard procedure in the financial industry, including cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. It verifies user identities to prevent illegal activities such as money laundering, fraud, or identity theft. Let's walk through the Binance KYC process step by step. It's the most important part. You need to complete it to claim your prize and be eligible for the grand rewards. The process includes 8 simple steps. Step 1. Create a Binance account. Open your browser and visit Binance using the link in our description. Click Register now and complete the sign-up process. Step 2. Navigate to Identity Verification. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Find Security or Account settings in the menu. Then click Identity Verification or QAC. Step 3. Choose your verification level. Select the individual account type suitable for most users. You'll see your account verification level and account limits. Step 4. Provide personal information. The crucial step requires careful attention. Enter your full legal names as it appears on your ID, date of birth, residential address, and nationality. Double-check all details multiple times for accuracy. Errors can lead to verification delays or rejections. Remember, you can't change these details after confirmation if they don't match your documents. Once you're certain everything is correct, click Continue. Step 5. Upload identification documents. Prepare a valid government-issued ID. Passports, driver's license, and national ID cards are usually accepted. Make sure the document is not expired. Yes, they have an expiration date too. Next, you will be asked to take photos of the documents. Wipe the camera and ensure everything is clearly visible with no obstructions to reading the information and that all corners of the document are in view. Blurry images are not acceptable. The platform will reject them. Hold your phone steady as if you're taking a picture of a cute cat. Once you've photographed the document, follow the on-screen instructions for proper framing and lighting. Capture both sides of the document if required, and click Continue after uploading the document photos. Step 6. Facial verification. In this step, the app wants to ensure that you are alive and real, so it will conduct a verification and ask you to show your face. The first thing it will ask you to do is grant access to your camera. Go ahead and do that. Before you look at the front camera, make sure you're in a well-lit area with a solid background, that you're holding your phone at eye level and that you're not wearing a hat or glasses. Oh, and filters. Save this for Instagram. Next, follow the on-screen instructions. Turn your head or perform specific actions, such as blinking or smiling. The app likes real people only. Step 7. Address verification, if necessary. For some verification levels, address verification may be required. It must match what you provided in Step 4. If the app asks you for this, it doesn't mean it doesn't trust you. It just wants to be cautious. So take a photo of a requested document, such as a utility bill, a bank statement, or a government-issued letter. Make sure the document is recent, no older than 3 months. Use your phone's camera to capture a clear and readable image. Step 8. Submit and wait. Once again, review all the information and documents you have provided. Then click Submit or Verify to send your application for verification. You will see a confirmation screen indicating that your application is being processed. The waiting time does not exceed the established norms. The verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on the volume of applications. However, it's crucial to wait for the verification without closing the app or navigating to other pages. You will not be left in the dark. You will receive a notification, most likely via email or in the app, as soon as your verification is complete or if additional information is needed. As soon as you see that your verification level is verified or verified plus, congratulations! You have become a participant in the MemeFi and Binance campaign. To make this responsible and possibly slightly nerve-wracking process a bit easier and more pleasant, we have prepared 7 tips for successful completing KYC. Firstly, use original documents. Never attempt to use edited or fake documents. This is illegal and will result in your account being blocked. Secondly, pay attention to image quality. Ensure that all uploaded images are clear, well lit, and show the entire document. Thirdly, ensure a stable internet connection. A poor connection can disrupt the upload or live verification process. Fourthly, be patient. If verification takes longer than expected, avoid submitting multiple applications, as this can cause further delays. Fifthly, make sure the information matches across all documents and account details. It's important to keep a thorough eye on your documents. Sixthly, prepare in advance. Have all necessary documents ready before starting the process to avoid session timeouts. Seventhly, complete KYC in a private and secure environment to protect your personal information. During the verification process, you may encounter 3 common issues. But are they really problems? No, these are challenges that we can help you overcome. Firstly, you may be denied verification. If this happens, carefully read the reasons for the denial and address the specific issue before submitting your application. Secondly, if the application doesn't accept your document, ensure that you're using an approved document type and that it's not expired. Thirdly, sometimes technology or the internet can let us down. This happens and you may simply need to try using a different browser or device if persistent issues arise. After completing the verification, you will gain access to enhanced account features and increased withdrawal limits. After successful verification, you will have access to advanced account features, such as purchasing cryptocurrencies with fiat money or accessing a broader range of cryptocurrencies, as well as increased withdrawal limits. These limits can significantly increase and reach several dozen bitcoins per day. Remember to keep your account information up to date and be prepared for periodic re-verification in accordance with Binance policies. Account verification unlocks limitless opportunities for using the Binance exchange. Additionally, thanks to it, you can participate in the Grand campaign by Binance and MemeFi, earning tons of tokens and prizes. This was Eva. See you in the next video.